Hey guys, in today's video I will whisper because I got many comments that I should record something in ASMR. So I thought that my everyday makeup routine will be great. So first I'm using Hyaluronic acid serum from Revolution. I love this serum because it keeps my skin hydrated and it's also lightweight on the skin. It doesn't mess up with my foundation. And I'm applying it, of course, all over my face. I'm really sorry that I didn't brush my hair, and I feel bad about it. So next is concealer, and this is Maybelline concealer. It's called, I think, Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer, and I have it in the shade 00, I guess. But I will write everything in the description box. I have very dark circles under my eyes, and this concealer doesn't dry out my under eye area, and also it has great coverage. I'm blending this concealer with my fingers. I mean, I blend every concealer with my fingers. Sometimes I need second layer where I have really bad dark circles. Yeah, I need my glasses. So next is foundation, and I'm using Fast Base Foundation from Revolution in F1. It has a dewy finish, and I have combination skin, so I'm applying it only on certain parts of my face. I don't need to use powder with this on my areas, on those areas when I apply it. It has a really good coverage. It's okay. And on the rest of my face, I'm using mineral foundation, and this one is from Ethnicity Minerals, and it is in the shade Moonlight. I'm applying it on my nose and I'm on my forehead, because on those areas I am oily. Next are brows, and I'm using Perfect Brow Kit from Cropp. By the way, if you have some tips and advice for me how I should do my brows, please tell me, because after watching this video I realized that my brows are not looking good. So if you have some ideas how I should do them, please tell me in the comments. However, in real life they don't look that bad as on camera. And from this kit I'm using only the shade in the middle. Okay, brows are done. So next we have bronzing, and this is bronzer from My Secret, and My Secret is a Polish brand, and this color of the bronzer is, I think, the best choice for my skin tone. On camera you can't I'm applying this also on my forehead because I have it huge. So now it's time for highlighter, and I use Essence Glow. It is baked highlighter in that shade, I think it's the shade 2. I love this highlighter for my everyday use because it's not too intense, but it is visible. When I go to party, I use Ice Gold from my Jeffree Star Platinum Eyes palette. I don't use mascara because I'm too lazy. And now we are moving on